In this video, I'll be teaching how to make origami star. So for this, we need a square size paper, and you can use any size. Okay, you can convert a square from a A4 sheet, and you can make 4 stars, 4 small stars out of it, or you can make 1 star of this size from a A4 sheet. Okay, so it depends how big you want to do. So but for learning right now, we are going to make a big star. After that, you can make it from whatever size of square paper. It can be 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter, 10 by 10, 12 by 12, so whatever works for you. So let's get started. I'm using a linen sheet for this. So this is basically a 12-inch by 12-inch linen sheet. So first thing what we are supposed to do is, we are just supposed to bend it, fold it into half. And make the crease nicely. Okay. After folding this half, you have to fold one portion. Now you got 2 portions of this as a rectangle. So what you are supposed to do is, you should fold it again half. Make sure your edges are aligned properly. So we folded it half. Now you just open it and try to make a triangle out of it. From one side, we just make a triangle by folding it upside. So we don't need to make the entire crease. For this triangle, we have to make crease only up to this line, which is basically coming from the previous fold what we have done. And you will understand it why we have done it. And just the next step, you don't do the crease here. Do crease only half of this triangle up to this. Okay, then leave it. Now you can see there is a mark which has come here. So this is the point which has come by intersection of this triangle line and the horizontal line what we got by bending this paper here. Okay, now next step is, this corner we have to join at this point. This corner you just join here, exactly at this point, and wherever this paper comes, you just make the crease. Okay, whichever place this sits, you have to make the crease. Now next step is, in the same state, you again fold it second time here. So you just fold it like this. Make sure the corners are neatly bent. That's the main thing for any kind of origami work. Your corners has to be aligned properly and the folds should be neat. Okay. Now see, what we did is, we first brought this corner to this, and the next step is, we just folded this place again into half. Now next step is, this side we need to bring it here, the entire side. We just fold it here and make a crease. So I'll repeat it. So this side, we just need to bring it in alignment with this, like this, and make the crease. Now as a next step, what we do is, we just have to fold it half. So this thing, you just need to fold it reverse. I will show it once again. What you do is, so we were like this from this step, so we just have to fold it half backward so that we get these things on the top. Now one side of this, so we got this triangular kind of a shape. So one side is plain, the other side we have 1, 2 and 3 portions. So now we need to cut this paper along the shortest line. Okay, so I'll take the scissors and I will be cutting it. for small kids, I will suggest you take help from your parents for cutting if you're not very confident about cutting. So when the cutting is done, you just open up your piece and you get a shape like this. This is a pentagon shape what you got. Now as a next step, what we are supposed to do, you pick any side. So there are 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick any of the side and then, so pentagon's 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since these 2 sides we are anyway going to fold and work on, the very next opposite 2 corners, there's a line which is coming here. So we need to align these 2 points, these 2 corners on these lines like this. Okay, these has to be aligned exactly on the line like this, and then you make a fold. The same step we have to repeat it on all the 5 directions. Now we did it on this, so I'm just turning it to the next one, which is like this. 2 sides came front. Now I'm going to align them here. So if the alignment is not happening, you can just move your paper left, right and get the position where your corners are aligned to this line. Okay, so do it fast on all the 5 directions. Let's quickly do it. Okay, so we did the fold. Now the next step is, just you have to see it very carefully. We just fold it from one side and then we try to fold the other side also. Okay, like since we have already got these folds, so I'm folding one side, but before I fold this, what I'm doing is I'm going to lift this corner. Whatever corner is coming on my right side, I'm just lifting it by folding it like this. So I lift it like this and then try to fold it here. While you're doing this, make a nice crease on this side so that this portion comes movable. Okay, so this we have to bend it on one side. So I'm just choosing to do it on the left side. So I just bent it like this. Now you just open it and do the same thing on the right side, the next one. So this again we have to repeat this step on all 5 sides. So we need to get these folds. So I'm just doing it on, trying to do this step on all the 5 sides. See, once you have understood how to do it, it becomes pretty easy for you to do it. So first you fold, when you're going to fold this, so before that you just fold this side and then fold this paper. And then automatically you get this portion up. And then you fold it up, fold it down. 3, 4 and 5. So we have already done this fold at all the 5 sides. You can see this. There's a crease which has come in all 5 sides. Now what we will do is we will try to connect all the 5 sides in this fold by just doing this. So while you're doing it, the moment you're done with the 3rd one and start the 4th, so there is an obstacle. The first one will create an obstacle. So what you're supposed to do is you insert this corner, this portion under the first one. You lift the first portion up, insert it down here. Then the 5th one, you just again do the same step. When you're doing the 5th step, you just have to bring this portion down. Bring it inside. The moment you do this, see, I'll show you here. The moment you do this, this portion has to go down little bit and this has to sit downward. See, it's pretty simple, but you just need to understand how do we get this. Okay, so we get this kind of a shape. After this, we just turn it around here. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. So what we are supposed to do is we just have to fold each of these so that this corner comes and meets at the center of this pentagon. We got a pentagon in the center. Okay, so this corner has to come to the pentagon, and we fold this side into half. Do it at all the 5 sides again. See, up to 4th point, there is no problem. The moment you do 5th one, there will be an issue. So you first open the first one. Okay, you open the first one and then do the fold. Because otherwise, this will not happen. This will not work. So you open it little bit and make the fold. This is a little tricky, but it's not very difficult. If you follow the instructions carefully, you will be able to do it very easily. Okay, now you fold the first one also down. So here goes your star. So your star is ready. I hope you like it. If there is a problem, and from the back it looks like this. This is the back because the paper was white and yellow from one side, white and one side yellow. It looks like this. If you use a double side paper, it will look the same color on both the sides. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.